Hello there, everybody. Welcome back. So this is Elsa in Action that I've started this drawing on. And at this stage, I'm just going to take one of my erasers here and just kind of clean up a bit of the unnecessary lines that I've added in here, or sketch lines. Just clean up a little bit here. I'm actually out here doing a little bit of relaxation here with drawing while I'm sitting in my car, if you noticed here. So yeah, I just want to bring you guys along in my journey of drawing and doing a little traveling here. Or drawing while I'm traveling. And I decided to do a little bit of Elsa again today. So I'm going to set you guys down for just a second here while I brush off my drawing pad. So excuse me for a moment. Okay, it's a little bit better. So I'm going to continue on here with my drawing pencil and Elsa. So right now, again, you know, if you are in such awkward positions ever, you have to be a bit more, careful in how you position your hands to do a little bit of drawing. Takes a little bit more skill, yeah. But just sketch the lines in very carefully and you'll get there. If you noticed here earlier where I've had several different lines going into my drawing here, and these lines here that I do are what I call invisible lines, invisible guidelines. And they're not in total invisible, but what I use them for are guides to help me, in a sense, keep alignment of certain areas of my drawing to match them up with where they should align within each area of the various elements, like the lower hand here. Use a little bit of a guideline like I have done here, okay, to help you get to where you need to be, okay? That's one little trick that I can share with you all that I've utilized here in my years of drawing. Okay, So now these are just kind of sketch lines, the guide lines to help me, you know, more so identify where are my eventual lines going to be, and drawing Elsa's wardrobe. So so-called not permanent, not quite permanent lines, but sort of guidelines to help me. And you can try that. You can try this yourself. Okay. And again, these are just guidelines. Okay, guidelines. I want to be able to see where I am here. Okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this video thus far of my Elsa in action. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please turn on your post notifications so you are notified when I do post new videos. And until my next video, take care. Bye for now.